Alright. So. Bought a keyboard, Vortex Race 3 with MX Clears. It's got a 6-key rollover plus modifiers, i.e. you can press Control, Shift and Alt plus 6 other keys. So a 9-key max. It's got 3 programmable layers. It's a nice idea, but like I'm gonna fucking use any of them. I just like how this fucker looks. Only issue is, mate, it makes a metallic noise like a bastard. Fuck that, but before I buy some 25 fucking quid Sorbothane that might not even be thick enough, let's try some ringy bastards. O-rings, do they help? Let's see. Right, I've got 3 tests, son. First, no O-rings and no mouse mat. Second, no mouse mat with O-rings, apart from the spacebar because I'm retarded and lazy. And third, mouse mat and O-rings.
Alright, we've got 3 fucking variations, mate. All with the fucking computer doing different fucking things, right? So fucking better, one better be fucking good enough, what?
Fucking Christ.
Alright, son. You still fucking listening? Get the fuck out. Fuck off. Can't. It's just fucking making a clicking noise.